Hello, lovelies. In this week's tutorial, I will do knockout text similar to what I did last week, but last week I did it in Silhouette Studio. This week I'll be trying it in Cricut Design Space. So let me share my screen and we shall get started. So I'm going to do the same text, which is this play game. And then I'm going to ungroup it so that I can move it closer together. Let me work with the word first. And I just ungrouped it so I can move the letters closer in. Okay, that one looks good. I'll group that together. And I'll work on this one. It just shows you that you can do the same or similar close to in the different software that we have. So let's see. I'm going to try to get them the same length. 6033, 68. Okay, I'm going to change this one. Okay, we'll bring this down like that. Maybe that's a little bit too close. There we go. That's good. So I'm going to make sure. Move that over a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. I think I like that. So I'm going to group that together. And I'm going to weld it because, you know, in Cricut Design Space, you can't do any type of slicing with more, if you have more than two objects. Okay, so that's that. Let me make it a little bigger. And I'm going to duplicate it because I'm going to show you 3 ways, but let me hide those 2 so they can be out the way, and let me upload my football silhouette. And that's too big. I'm going to take it down to, let's see, 3.5. And again, let me duplicate that and hide those so they won't be in my way. Now, the word you use and the picture you use is totally up to you. Now I'm going to bring that over there, and where you want to place it is up to you. I'm placing it over here because this one gives me more territory to work with. So I'm going to highlight both of them, and then I'm going to slice it. Okay, and then I'm just going to remove it. And that's what you end up with. Your graphic pictures is inside the word. So that's one option. So I'm going to highlight that and then group it so that that can stay together. Okay, that's one way. And I'm going to make it smaller so that I can have space on my canvas for the other stuff. Okay. All righty, now I'm gonna go with this one. Same thing. Highlight both of them. And this time I'm going to do subtract. And that removes the space, right? So I'm gonna go find me another football man. Okay, my screen has frozen on me. Okay. Let me duplicate that again, just in case I need an extra one. Okay, so we subtracted the silhouette. Okay, I don't know what's going on, if it's my computer or if it's Cricut Design Space, but it is freezing up on me. Okay. Thank you for cooperating. And then all we have to do is move him in place. And then you highlight it and you group it. That way, nothing will come undone when you move it out the way. Okay, so our last one is okay, I know I put one over here and saved it, but I don't see it. But none to worry, I'll get another one. I'll add another one to the canvas. And then I'll shrink it down. I think I had it at 3.5. Okay. Let me duplicate it and move it up top just in case I need it. Move that down some so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're going to highlight that there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is highlight the football silhouette, and we're going to create an offset. And we don't need a big offset. Let's try it at 10 and see what that gives us. Okay, so we have our offset, and we're gonna move our football guy out the way. We're gonna highlight both of them. Okay, I don't know how I got all them offsets, but anywho, highlight that. That's not what I wanted to do. Let me back up. Highlight that, and I want to subtract it because I want that open space. And then you put that in there. And you have that opening, that offset around the football silhouette so that if you wanted to add rhinestones, if you wanted to create a rhinestone path with that offset, you can do that. So let me group that together and bring that down. I'm gonna reduce my screen a little bit so that we can see all three images. Let me delete that. Bring that up here. Oh, bring it down. Okay, so these are our three versions. The first one, we use the slice method. The second one, we use the subtraction method. The third one, we did an offset, did the subtraction, and added back the football silhouette. So those are the three versions of the knockout text in silhouette. So you can refer back to my video of last week to see how I did these same steps in Silhouette Studio. All righty, that will conclude our tutorial for this week. I will stop sharing my screen and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.